Hello everyone, welcome to Digital Clicks. If you are new on this channel, my name is Augustus Philip. On this channel, I do a lot of Amazon KDP videos to help you succeed in the business. So feel free to watch the videos and also subscribe to this channel. You may have to turn on the notification bell so that each time I drop a quality video such as this, you will get notified. Alright? In today's video, I want to show you how you can design a beautiful and attractive book cover in 5 simple steps. If you are already doing this business, you understand with me that without a beautiful cover, you may not be making sales. In Amazon KDP, they actually judge a book by its cover and not the other way around that you and I know. Okay, so if this has been your challenge, then this video is for you. Go nowhere, sit back and watch this video to the end. Okay, so we are going to be using this design as a reference for this class. Okay, this is one of my designs, and at the end of the day we should be able to replicate this same thing. Okay, so I do my designs with Canva, and I want us to go to Canva now. Okay, so we are here now on Canva. I'm using Canva Pro so I can resize. Alright, so the first step is for you to choose a suitable template, okay, for your designs. If you don't know how to design, I will encourage you to start designing with templates. You don't need to go and start designing from scratch. Okay, you don't need to stress yourself. The templates are all here, millions of them. So you can choose any one of your choice that is suited for your book and you design with. Okay, so the first step, like I said, is for you to choose a suitable template. You can do the search here. You can just look at up here, you see book cover. Okay, you can tap up on book cover or do a search here. You've also seen this place, you see book cover, so you see all. If you click on it, it will open all the templates for you to choose. Okay, so let me go there. Alright, so you see there are a lot of templates you can use. You don't need to stress your head. There are a lot of templates you can use. Okay, if I keep scrolling, I think the template I use is far down, so what I will do, I will just come here and search. I know the name, so I will just come here and search for it. Okay, I'll just come here and search for it. Okay, it's opening up. Okay, good. This first one is actually what I used, this first template. So I will tap on it. Okay, so now we are done with the first step. We have chosen a suitable template for it. Second step is for you to resize and copy the template. So this eclipse symbol, you tap on it to resize. See resize. If you are not using Canva Pro, you cannot resize. So my size that I want to use is 6 by 9 inches. Okay, so you see this option, copy and resize. It's loading. Copy and resize. I'll tap on it. I'll open it. Good. The next step is for you to choose the right font and typography. By that I mean all the write-up and text on your design. That is what I mean by that. Okay, so for this, I deleted this. I did not use that. I deleted this too. I deleted this. Okay. I brought this down. It's up. Okay. This also was up. Now my title. I'll type my title there. The food. Okay. To centralize it. You've seen what I did to centralize it. I'll duplicate that. Put my guide. Okay. I'll also duplicate this. In design, there is something they call emphasis. Emphasis is actually what you want people to see as soon as they look at your design. And here I want people to see my title. So that is what I will make bigger among all these things I'm designing in terms of the text. I will make that one bigger, okay, and in a readable font. So I will change that to food addiction. That's the title. That's the title. I will change the font. Font size, font type rather. That's the font I use. Okay. And I'll reduce the size. Please just follow me. Okay. I go to effects and I use shadow. Color of the shadow I use yellow. Good. I also changed the color to white so people can see very well. Good. Here is the subtitle. Okay, so I'll just paste my subtitle there. Then I'll rearrange it. Come to this format and choose center alignment. Increase the size too. Good. All right. Now the next thing I'm to type is my pen name. I'll change this one to the pen name. Reduce the font size. Okay. Okay, so the next step is for you to add a suitable visual element. By this I mean the images for your designs. You don't just have to pick any kind of image, you have to pick image that will describe your title. Okay, your image should describe your title also. Are you getting my point? And if you want to know how you can get your design idea, the kind of image that you should use for your design, please join my community. The link is in the description section of this video. Okay, I will tell you a simple way of knowing the kind of image that will be suitable for your titles, any title at all. Okay, so now let's get our image. I added 2 images here based on this. See, our title is food addiction. All right, so this is one of the images I added there. I went to photos and I search. I search for fork and knife. This is the first. This first one was the one I used. So I turn it. I just rotated it, reduce it a bit. Okay. If you see this subtitle, you see something like actionable strategy to break compulsive eating habit. So I brought in chain, broken chain. Okay, this is the one I used. I just kept it here and I drag it to the end here. Now I need to send it back. I need to send it back. So I'll come to position and I say go back. Alright, time is there. Reduce it. Okay. Now there is something I would like you to know here. This Canva, millions of people are using it. All the images here, other people are also using it. So it is good that when you come and pick any template, you need to make some adjustments so that it will be different from another person's own, even if they pick the same template. That is what you should understand. Okay, so that is why I adjusted this one. I also make sure this other chain crosses to it. With that, I've made some little adjustments, little changes to these images, and this is what we have. So tell me, did I stress myself to do this? No, it's simple, very, very simple to do. You don't need to stress your head. It's just for you to know the kind of images you will use for your design. And like I said, if you want to learn about that, just join my community. The link is in the description section of this video. Okay, I'll give you an idea what you should be doing, and you just get to know the kind of image that you will use. Okay, and again, it's not all the images on Canva that you need to use. If you also want to know how to choose images that will not get you into troubles, the next video on this channel, I will show you that. I'm not going to be showing you that here. Okay, I don't want this video to be too long. I will show you that. All right. Okay, so the last step is for you to save your design. Okay, so are you designing for Kindle ebook? Are you designing for paperback? You should know how to handle this. But this is Kindle ebook. Okay, and if you want to know how to design for paperback, the video is also here on this channel. Go through it, you will see it. Make sure you watch it so that you know how to design your paperback. All right, so you just come to up here, tap it, come to download. The format for Kindle is JPEG. Okay, so you select JPEG and you download it. Please, if you find this video helpful, please subscribe to this channel, share it, and give us a thumbs up. All right, and that is it. Our design is saved to our gallery. Okay, thank you for watching, and may God bless you.